Hey everybody, Evan Schmidt, Love Promise Coordinator, Product Specialist here at Santa Cruz Subaru. Today's video, some of you are going to be very happy about. Auto vehicle hold permanent on and auto start stop permanent off, kind of. If you're new to my channel, I like to make videos about everything Subaru, impart my knowledge and wisdom, everything I've learned over the last 18 years working here at Santa Cruz Subaru. If you have any questions or would like me to make a video about something special, please leave a comment below and I'll do the best I can to answer it and maybe make a video for you. If you get used to the channel, please hit the Santa Cruz Subaru wave down there, subscribe to the channel, like the video, really helps me out. Lets my bosses know that their money's not wasted and let me keep making the videos for you. All right, let's get into it. All right, so like I said in my intro, auto start stop permanently off, auto vehicle hold permanently on. So some of you are going to be very happy with this update. Some of you aren't because it's not available to you. And I think I understand what Subaru's doing, because one of the biggest complaints I get on cars is, why can't I make auto start stop permanently be off? I don't understand what the big deal is, because all you have to do is push a button. So you can just start the car, push a button, turn it off. But evidently it's a massive deal and people hate pushing buttons. And they're going to be very disappointed in the future, because cars are going to be nothing but buttons. So the only way this works as of now is if you have a 25 Forester with the driver recognition. So you can set it up to have auto vehicle hold on when you start your car and auto start stop off when you start your car, based upon your profile. So I'm going to go ahead and start this car here and see how this pops up. Would you like to update the following settings? Auto start stop off, auto vehicle hold on. I hit OK, and they immediately do both of them. I understand what Subaru is doing, but you still have to push a button. So for those of you who hate pushing buttons, you can set it up to, it scans your face and auto start stop will be off, auto vehicle hold will be on. You still got to push a button there instead of just pushing a button here. So it's basically the same thing, but here's what it is. So you have to have your profile scanned. We'll do another video again on how to scan your profile, because that would make this video unbelievably long. But once you have your profile set up, you go to settings. Got to make sure that your profile is nice and set up and it scanned you. We know, I'd never named it. It says driver A up there. That's how I know it's got my profile. So I went to settings. I'm going over to car here, and it's driver monitoring system. And this is the new thing that you can do. Request settings update. From the factory, all the cars are going to be off. So all you got to do is turn what you want, turn auto vehicle hold on, turn auto start stop off, request setting update. And then I don't know if this is necessary. I just did this just because I think it is necessary, but you hit update and seat mirror position and update, and it updates what you've changed. So now what'll happen is, whenever I start the car and it scanned my face, this guy's going to come on, and I'm going to hit OK, and it's going to immediately turn auto vehicle hold on and auto start stop off. You don't have to do both of them. I just did both of them for the purposes of this video. You can have auto vehicle hold on and auto start stop on, or both of them off. You can do whatever you want to do. My gut is, in the future, more things will be associated with this. Maybe even turn the driver monitoring system off, because that, most cars, that automatically goes back on. And I really hope that they do put this as part of a software update in the other cars that have this system with the driver monitoring system. So that's the video. I think a swing and miss by Subaru, but this is what they did. Auto start stop off and auto vehicle hold on as part of your request setting update. That's it. Thanks for watching.